Hello, Matt here with High Life Auto for Madison, Iowa. We're doing a walk around test drive on a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. Has 156,281 miles. Flip you around here. This is one we just got in. Went to the Quad City sales yesterday. Starts right up. It's got some codes on it. We'll get to that later. The tires are about 25%. There is a lot of rust on this one. The rockers are pretty rusted out. Cab corners. See? So get back here to the bed. It's rusted out there. Of course, the tailgate would have to be messed up, wouldn't it? So, missing that piece of trim that holds this on. And the handle. Looks like the top to the bed is there. It's just in the back. All rust. Cab corners. The tires all the way around are about 25%. Get the hood popped. I do not have it running right now. I didn't realize it was almost out of gas. I left with it, so I will start it right now. You can hear it. As it does start up. Sounds good. Alright. Let's get inside and for a ride. There is some damage here on the seat. Looks like this here was pulled out. The seats do work. Headliner's come down a little bit. Let me get my belt on here. Maybe. There we go. Spin around here. The inside. Cloth interior. Nothing fancy. Do have a check engine light on. We'll get to that right quick. So, it says here, knock sensor 2, circuit low, bank 2. Catalytic system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. Evaporated emissions system leak detected. Knock sensor, bank 2. Catalytic system efficiency. Okay, so there's those. And we have the traction control light. Also, we have ABS. So let's check the windows. Driver's side, front, rear work, passenger front, passenger rear work, radio works. Turn that down. The heat works. It's on now. All right, blinkers left. Blinkers right is probably one of the bulbs are out. They're blinking fast. So we'll get that checked out. Wipers work. All right. Now, let's go for a ride. Wait, let me get my seat pushed back forward. I think I moved it. All right. We do have four-wheel drive. I will put it in four-wheel drive and check it. So, all right, here we go. Yep, we have four-wheel drive. Let's go back up in two. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Seems to be shifting just fine. There's no sputter, no loud noises, no smells like it's hot or anything. We'll get turned here. Yeah, I think that's just one of those things there. Okay, so we're out on the road. Seems to be shifting just fine, as I said. It's not pulling, not losing any power. Shifting pretty good. I think the speedometer is off because it says I'm running 80. There ain't no way. I'm maybe running 45. So we'll have to get that checked out. But yeah. Alright, so we'll go ahead and see if the cruise works. Hey, the cruise works, and I'm going uphill. Alright, that's a good thing. Turn the cruise off. Alright, so four-wheel drive works. Everything works. Except for the speedometer. Alright, this is 2005 Chevy Avalanche, four-wheel drive. If you'd like to come check this vehicle out, take it for a ride yourself, please call us first, or just come on in. We've got plenty more vehicles. High Life Auto, Fort Madison, Iowa. Matt, Miriam, or Matt. We'll be glad to help you. Have a great day.